What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, another episode parking lot pimping with my boy DLo.
Yo.
What's going on? You're gonna be seeing him a lot more. Man, before we get started, make sure you guys are following us on Instagram and all social media at We Don't Cook Food. One more time, that's We Don't Cook Food. I'm gonna throw DLo's handle up right now. DLo, one more time.
I already know what time it is, bro.
Damn it, it's a little blurry, but it is what it is. As you guys see from the title, man, Cactus Jacks. Woo! I don't even know what to say. The box is crazy. As always, you guys can always use these videos as legit checks. Man, did you guys cop right off the bat? Let us know in the comments. But let's go ahead and get into this box ASAP. Alright guys, so we have this nice, I don't know, what would you call this? Cream, light yellow colored box with this nice blue accent on it. Now this is probably my favorite feature of the box itself. I think this is like new branding from Travis. It's definitely got this like death metal, black metal, just like metal vibes. It says Cactus Jack. I think that's really raw. Of course we have his iconic Cactus Jack branding, and you know, that's always fire. Let's go ahead and check out the back of the box. This is all pretty much stuff that's standard on all Nike boxes. If you guys have any questions, make sure to pause the video or comment. You know, we're gonna help you out if we can. Alright guys, and then one more feature. I think this is like a whole new branding approach from Travis and his team, but that says Cactus Jack. I'm pretty sure in Russian, Cactus Jack Records. That window's pretty dope, but let's see, one more side. Oops, already saw that. Alright guys, last but not least, we have the label itself. You know what I'm saying? This is a great size if you know the market. You know we're cooking, you know DLo's cooking.
Yo.
But yeah guys, so before we get started, man, we're really thinking about doing more vlogs. Obviously we have a pretty elite clientele. We're cooking for rock stars, professional athletes, you know, anybody that's a real one, including you. So if you guys want more vlog content, let us know. But enough about that, let's get into this box. Alright guys, so I went ahead and opened the actual box itself. Now check it out. Again with the Cactus Jack Records branding on the paper. That's pretty fire. Let's go ahead, oh, one step closer. You guys ready for this? This was a really crazy drop. The raffle went up. It was really intense. But enough about that. Let's see what's cooking. Oh man, one more. Damn, here we go guys. Cactus Jack Air Force Ones. What are your first impressions? I don't want my voice to crack, but glee! These are fire. Let's go ahead and see what's up. Alright guys, here we have it in the flesh. The Travis Scott Air Force Ones. My first impressions, these are fire. I wish I hit on them in my size because damn. Now at first, of course, I think as well as everybody, I thought that this zipper was kind of crazy looking, kind of unnecessary, but what do you guys think, man? Would you rock it with the zipper? Would you rock it without? Let us know. But let's go ahead and review this sneaker, and then we'll catch back at the end and get your thoughts. All right, guys, what do you think, man? There we have it, the Travis Scott Air Force One Cactus Jacks. I'd call them what the Travis is, honestly. They're very interesting, very unique. They finally have like a different touch of branding on it. I think the lacing is awesome, just everything, all the material. What do you guys think, man? Did you enjoy the video? More content coming soon, honestly. And we're gonna try to do it bigger in 2020. We're not gonna try, we will. That's facts. DLo, you got any words for him, man?
Just know this year we're gonna be cooking real soon.
Real soon. But all right, guys, let us know what you guys think. Were you able to cop a pair? Like I said, I know this drop was super like crazy. He dropped like the raffle instead on his website. He tried to make it more fair for people, but honestly, I don't know. I thought it was kind of lame, but let us know what you guys think, man. Thank you guys for supporting, subscribing, and as always, stay safe. Peace.